Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this assorted meat tomato stew or all-purpose tomato stew recipe with you. Very easy to put together and you are definitely going to love this. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. I do share amazing recipes right here, so kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To begin with everything, I'll start by stewing my proteins. So I have some goat's meat, cow meat, and wele or pomo. And to season this meat, I'll go in with some garlic ginger paste, meat seasoning powder, garlic ginger and onion powder, natural spices which consist of bay leaves, dried rosemary and cloves. I'll go in with some water and some salt as well. I'll also stir everything together until all the seasonings are well incorporated with the meat. I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, we are back to check on the meat and it's doing all good and perfect, but it's still not soft. So I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes until it's nice and very soft. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, also sharing my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the meat is nice and very soft, so I'm going to set this aside and proceed to the next stage. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll heat up some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice, and whilst that is done, I'll go in with some natural spices which consist of aniseed, dried rosemary and bay leaves. I'll also go in with some homemade curry powder. I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. So I just want to have good flavors in the oil, so that's why I'm going in with a lot of natural spices. And whilst that is done, I'll go in with some chopped onions as well. I'm using 3 large onions right here. You can use any amounts that you want. I'm going to allow the onions to also loosen up a little bit for about 2 to 3 minutes and it should be ready. The onions is now nice and translucent, so I'll go in with some blended onions and pepper. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing the amount of everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook once more for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Remember as well to keep an eye on it from time to time. So while that is going on, don't forget as well to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after about 10 to 15 minutes, the pepper mix is nice and ready. So I'll go in with my tomato paste. For this recipe, you can also use only fresh tomatoes if that is what you want, but the tomato paste works perfectly fine for me. I also go in with some mixed stock, which will definitely add amazing taste to the stew very well. I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook on medium heat until it's nice and ready. Remember to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time as well. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still give this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so We are back to check on our stew. At this point, it's doing all good and ready. So next I'm going to go in with my seasoning, and for seasoning of choice I'll be using stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. You can as well use any seasoning of your choice. I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes for the seasonings to also cook down a little bit. Alright, so now the seasoning is also nice and ready. So I'll go in with my protein of choice, which I'm going to be using mackerel in tomato sauce. You all know how much I do love mackerel in my stew as always. So I also go in with my cooked cow meat and also goat meat, but I've air fried it a little bit. Alright, next I'll go in with my willy as well. For the protein, it's always advisable for you to go in with any meat that you want. Alright, I'll stir everything together just the way you see it on your screens right now, and afterwards I'll leave it to cook on low medium heat for additional 5 minutes. For extra crunchiness and flavor, I'll go in with some chopped onion, which is totally optional. Right, this is just to my preference, but can you try it and you will surely love it. I will stir everything together and allow it to do its own thing for about 1 minute, and it should be ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this assorted meat or pepper stew or tomato stew recipe. It turned out so great and delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. I enjoyed this stew with rice. You can also enjoy this with yam, cocoyam, just name it. It goes well with everything. It goes well with banku as well, and you will love it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye.